Hey guys, I hope you're on your best behavior while I'm gone. I want to walk you through your first writing assignment. So first you should be in Google Classroom. And once you are in there, I want you to click on Thursday's assignment because today is Thursday, February 6th, 2020. You should see a set of instructions on yours, which I believe is just watch the video and then open the link. Once you open the link, you are going to see a political cartoon. If you were paying attention yesterday, you should have, with Ms. Stoltz, analyzed a political cartoon. This one is a little bit simpler than the one that you guys looked at. However, there's still a lot of pieces that I want you to try to think about. Your objective is to write a paragraph about 5 to 7 sentences about what you think of this cartoon. As always, please remember to race. When you look at this cartoon that was drawn by Benjamin Franklin, I want you to remember that this was drawn before the Revolutionary War took place. So if this was before the Revolutionary War, what do you think that all these pieces are supposed to mean? Notice the join or die. You have a creature that has been severed into pieces, and you also have letters randomly on the different pieces of the creature. Please think about what this means and how all the pieces are symbolizing something. Take your time, make sure that you have correct structure in your sentences, as in capitalization and punctuation. And when you are finished, please turn in, do not share. I can't wait to read what you guys have to say about this cartoon.